Welcome to lesson 62 of algebraic concept, one-step division inequality. So this video is going to be very similar to the last one. Here's our objective, our vocabulary, our rules and notes. Okay, so let's get right into solve it. Okay, let me turn on the pencil. So P over 6 is greater than or equal to negative 5. So we multiply by 6, we multiply by 6. P is greater than or equal to negative 30. And you're saying, Mr. Walls, why didn't we change? We got a negative. We did not multiply by a negative. Because we did not multiply by a negative, the sign stays the same. It's only when you multiply or divide by a negative that the sign changes. So negative 30, put a 0 for reference. Color in a circle because the inequality is underlined, and all numbers bigger than or equal to 30 fit in the solution set. So rewriting this one, n over negative 2 is less than or equal to negative 3. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 2, so they cancel out by negative 2. N is bigger than positive 6. Why did it change? I multiply by a negative. So when you multiply by a negative, it has to change. And it's greater than or equal to, and it's all numbers 6 and bigger. Okay, so those were our two examples for this lesson. I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, so here we go. 2x minus 1 2/3 x. I don't even have to change this out. This is going to be 1/3 x is less than negative 3. And multiply by 3. X is less than negative 9. Put the 0 for reference. Negative 9. Everything goes to the left. So every number smaller than negative 9. Okay. 5 is bigger than y over 2 minus y. So this is actually, let me rewrite it so that you can see it. 5 is greater than 1/2 y minus 1y. And you get 5 is greater than negative 1/2 y. Multiply both sides by negative 2, because you can't have a negative. 10 flips. Let me turn it around. Y is greater than negative 10. Now we graph it. 0, negative 10, greater than, open circle, and arrow goes to the right. So you saw where it was, the Y was on the right, and then I flipped it around. I flipped everything around. I did not multiply. The Y moved, the sign changed, and the 10 changed. So when you multiply by a negative, you only change the sign, but not the numbers or the variables. When you flip everything, everything flips. So that might be confusing, and I wanted to point that out. When I flip things around and put the Y on the left, every number has to move. When you multiply or divide by a negative, the only thing that moves is the negative, and you do whatever operation you have to do. So that was that. I hope that made sense. I hope you're getting these answers right. I hope you're writing these things down and practicing before you look at the answers. Thank you for watching the videos, and I will catch you on the next one.